On the comer, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the comer, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the comer, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What is going on, Otter gang? Bitcoin flying. Big sweep into our golden pocket. I don't know. I think I gave the Discord the level this morning for the golden pocket. I'm curious to see if they took the trade. I'm curious. I don't think they did. It happened pretty quick. You'd have to be a ninja. Maybe they are ninjas. I'll show you my entry if you show me yours. How about that one? Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. Happy hump day. Let's jump into the charts. If you did get long, let me know in the chat. I gotta know. I'll show you mine if you show me yours. I'll show you mine if you show me yours. I got half a position long too. I didn't go full bore. I agree. I'll show you mine if you show me yours. I mean, it was right there. It just said, "Hey, baby, press long." It was an aggressive entry. Let's just put it that way. That's why you go half a position size. I still got 20,000 left on the trade. We'll see if it does want to keep going. However, I gave you the level this morning. It bounced, baby. It bounced quite aggressively. Maybe I take some off right now. Maybe a quick 200 to start the day. What do you guys think? I think I take some more off. I think I take another half, just to incentivize me to take a trade during the live. You know, like sometimes I just like want to chill on this, but I have no problem. Just yeah, that feels a bit better. 150, 165 bucks to start the day. You know, what's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. It doesn't always start like this, but it does start like this today. Let's go, baby. What's going on, Rashad? Good morning to you, Jesse. Thank you for being here. A big V-shaped recovery right now. We'll see if this wants to continue upwards. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out with me. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning. Yesterday I was down. I managed to scalp a couple more wins, but I had a couple of slippage. I had that slippage issue, so I had a down day yesterday, and then I've started today off with a bang. That's it, right? It's how you bounce back. It's how you manage your risk. Obviously, last week I had a super week, a really good week, so I expect struggles. Not struggles, not necessarily, but I expect a little bit of like humble pie, you know? You can't always be up, you can't always win. But you can always manage risk. See, this is the easy part, is managing risk. You can always manage risk. Therefore, you get another shot at the game, right? What's going on, Crypto Reaper? Alexandra G, what's going on? Good morning. We are still hunting for your husband. We'll see if we can find him. Applications, there's an email in the description if you want to apply for the husband application. 666, okay? 6 figures, 6 inches, and 6 Bitcoin. What else? We said 6-pack? I don't know. Maybe she likes a little bit of a dad bod. Who knows? Muckin, what's going on? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Quick Smoker, what's going on? Gang. Ando Poncho in the chat. What's going on, my brother? How you been? Pat, good morning. Vinga. Good morning, Burger lovers. I mean, if it's every day, I might go burger. I love a burger, man. And pasta and pizza also have variety. Like you could have like a. I mean, I had flatbread pizza last night. A meat lovers, of course. But you got variety. So if it's every day, there's a little bit of a debate. Like, what are you gonna do with this steak? You're gonna have a medium rare steak, and on repeat, right? Jordan Peterson has an only steak diet, doesn't he? XR Peter, what's going on? Good to see you. Gen X Fairy Godmother, what's going on? Good morning. Serious Beef Eater is here. That's the one. We even have ground beef on our pizza. Steak strips on the pizza. Sean Beringer, good morning, man. Good to see you. Crypto Rob. Let me know that you're long in the chat, guys. You guys better be long, man. Bottoming structure, 3 drives, bull divs, money flow coming in, higher high, higher low retracement. We teach this. You guys better be long. I'll be upset with you guys if you're not. I'll be very upset with you. We'll have to go over this today again. Shriyan, good morning. I hope you're fine. I'm damn fine. No, I'm doing well, thank you. I hope you're fine's kind of a. I hope you're doing well is more of a, I guess, proper statement. You don't go, I hope you're fine. You go, I hope you're doing well, or I hope you're good. Fakir, good morning to you. Good to see you. Shriyan, thank you for the nice words, man. Gen X. User, good morning. Esan, Steve Hickey. Am I the only one who has trouble with everybody having their actual like YouTube names in the chat? Does everybody else have this problem, or is it only my channel? Steve Hickey, good morning. Jesse, good luck. Blair Force One, good morning. Indy. Corn, good morning. Skinny King Kong Crypto. What a name. Good morning, man. How you doing? Thank you for being here, guys. HFG, how you been? Looks like we're going to the moon here. Nice bounce. Mab the Great. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Let's go. Daniel, what's going on? Let's go, baby. I finally have slept way better. Good, Jesse. That's good. Sleeping is important. How am I doing? I'm doing well. Having a nice time. My mother's visiting Us in our new place, which is nice. Tomorrow is going to be my son's first birthday. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. My boy's turning 1. Baby Otter is not is 1 years old considered a toddler or what? I don't know. Scary. I'm here for music. Lurker, what's going on, Daniel? Pinkertons, what's going on? How you doing, bro? God bless. We long right now. What's going on, Piper? Good to see you, bro. Can I ask for forgiveness from the Discord mods? I was banned a long time ago. I think I could do wrong was the shell coin. I don't know, man. I don't know. Pretty tight-knit community. I'll have to you'll have to message me on X then. Message me on X with your corny JJJ, and we'll see if we can get you added to the Discord, okay? Take a screenshot of your YouTube name. I believe in second chances, but don't come in the Discord and be a douche canoe, or you're definitely gonna get banned, man. We got no time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Good morning, James. How you doing, man? Hopefully you're doing well. Buongiorno. Come stai? Vincenzo La Spezza. How are you doing, my friend? Good morning to you. What's going on, Dylan? How you doing? So we are in the long right now. We've realized 160. I mean, we caught the bottom. We have bottom liquor right now. Let's see if it does want to continue to push here. Only got in half a position size, so we're you're getting up in the morning. You're not gonna fire off the full bore. You're not gonna give it all you got. But we're in it right now, catching the Wickmaster. So we'll see if we do push up, or maybe we could add down in here. Maybe we come back a little bit here. Maybe we do one of these. And we could add here. We'll see if we get the opportunity to do so, okay? How do you like that morning entry there, Piper? It was 5:40 in the morning, and I'm already got the sniper rifle out, bro. What's going on, Async? Good to see you. Good morning. And the Discord had the level. Nice and early. Ready to go. Nice and early. See? You were ready. All you have to do is press buy in the golden pocket area. Magic. Anyways. That's what she said. Of course. So looking for a little retracement continuation. We'll see if we get it. If not, we're looking to come to the lows. We got target 1 right here. Target 2 right here, okay? SFP. Beautiful SFP last night. Push onwards and upwards. Coming back for liquidity this morning. All right, we can see a sweep of the low. We can see a sweep of the range low, okay? I'm more interested in 111. I'm more interested in here. This is where I would like to gig along, Back up the truck, $400,000 trade. We'll see. I do believe the next bounce, like the next liquidation event, could be the one to send us to Valhalla. I'm just saying. And I ain't got the timing for you. It could be Jackson Hole. It could be next week. It could be the rate cuts. Okay? Time is the hardest thing in trading. Okay? That's why they say have time in the market, right? Time in the market. Rather, timing the market. But I think the next big liquidity sweep, And we've had some cascading liquidity. Let's not be naive to the fact that we have dumped. Okay? But this isn't this, guys. This is not this right here. Okay, this is not this. You guys remember carry trade? You guys remember the carry trade? Look at the difference. That was definitely I remember this because CryptoFace shorted here and made like $1 million. Absolute legend, man. Absolute legend. Okay? But you got to have the stones, the balls to long this. That was get the heck out of Dodge, okay? Yes, I just drew balls on my chart. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto show. Oh, man, we're having fun every morning, man, guys. Good morning. Thank you for being here. This is kind of unfiltered, as you guys have come to learn. Maybe you come to love this show because I really don't care. I try to watch my swearing as much as possible. Therefore, I have to pay a lot of money eventually every like couple weeks or so for my swearing. But, you know, just call it as it is. I mean, I worked construction for 13 years, so you guys got to have some patience with my growth, okay? It's a little bit slower than others. But at least you'll get the truth. What's going on, Async? Alexander, Jesse, LJ, good morning. Thank you for being here. Happened real quick. Yeah, Pat, absolutely. Steve Hickey, good morning. I did mark it in, yes. He's a toddler. He's a daughter. He's not a daughter. He's a totter. Totter daughter. Otter. Baby otter. Aw. Good morning, Piper. Steak sandwiches, steak fajitas, and sliced pound thin breaded options, bro. Options. Let's go. Steak for sure. Yeah, get doing those push-ups, DDT. I don't think you've been late a couple of times now, man. Good morning, Mario. Mario, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. I have an Uncle Mario, an Uncle Gino, an Uncle Giuseppe, an Uncle Bruno. My nonno's name's Augusto, okay? What an Italian family, my God. Bruno, Augusto, Giuseppe, Gino, Mario, and Anna. Isn't that wonderful? A beautiful Italian family. Hey, bada bing. Can you tell us how you took that trade? I pressed market in with half a position size at the golden pocket. Okay, so price came down. We had cascading liquidity. Shoop, shoop, shoop. It came up here. I'm like, if this SFP is the golden pocket, I will be long. SFP is the golden pocket. I press buy. Stop loss below the 786. Looking for a continuation up. That's how I got in. Just a key level. Why is this level even better? Because there's an order block over here. See, my friend? Very nice. This is liquidity in here. Remember, I always talk to you guys about where price action does this, right? When price action runs away, okay, so you got your three drives of bullish divergence in here, okay? Not easy because yesterday's just dump city, right? So we're waiting for structure, okay? Our first structure, this was our first structure warning. Not very nice, very ugly, okay? Then we get an SFP continuation trade. Still not very nice. But you can see how price moves nice and even here. Then you get your actual SFP. That's your liquidity event right here, your V-shaped recovery, and then your push out, okay? When price action moves this aggressively, like this, you typically come back and grab it. We had not come back this morning and grabbed it, right? So you have this very nice sweep and go. But to me, this is all liquidity in here. Okay, choppy, choppy, choppy. Change in structure. Sweep of the highs, right? So you got the drives up here, bearish divergence. Sweep of the high. We gave this short level to the Discord last night. It rolls over. We're coming for the liquidity in the lows and this order block in here. It hits our order block and it bounces. Okay, so just planning the trap, golden pocket, continuation trade. Okay. Also, to add to that, right, in the top-down analysis, I noticed that Ethereum reclaimed a key level. Okay. 4180 here, key level. Solana, looking for a breakout, retest, continuation trade. Okay. Link has done really well. Look at that breakout. Okay, making a new high. This is a very bullish sign for Link. So this is a little bit of hopium. And this morning, every morning, so last week I said don't buy the dip. On Monday or Tuesday I said don't buy the dip. Okay. Today I said a little bit of hopium, then lower. You can go and look at the Twitter posts, okay? I said don't buy the dip. I said don't buy the dip, lower. I said a little bit of hopium this morning with lower. Okay? I'm protecting you even on Twitter. I think Piper can attest to that. I think Piper checks my tweets. Good morning from Berlin. Good morning. Good to see you. Swesto. Good morning. Rob, good morning. Good to see you, man. Usen, yeah, I lost 200 yesterday. Jesse. Larry, good morning. But I was down like 800 from slippage, man. It was so annoying yesterday. Because yesterday in that event, it just went poof. And I had my stop loss at like $400 in it. Yeah, it was nasty. Nasty. But that's part of trading. Good morning, to Wander. Dusty, good morning. Good to see you. PB Stacks, how you doing? Mass, good morning. HFG, good to see you. Henry. Coming back for a retest now in here. First level order block. We got a little bit of support in here. No trade yet. We'll see if we can add to this trade potentially, guys, going into the market open. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel, smacking up those like buttons. We got a whole bunch of y'all in here. 313, man. That's pretty cool. Thank you for being here. I can change up pizzas, a breakfast style or a classic style. Yeah, of course. Of course. Steak nicely done. I don't like to see blood. Oh, really? I like it mooing sometimes, HFG. Curvin, good morning, King Beaver. Thank you. Lord Otter, King Beaver are my pronouns if you're unaware. Hulk Smash, what's going on? Good morning, Paul Hindenburg, the hottest air around. Elton John. El John. I'm going to call you Elton John. Matthew, what's going on? Guff. Good to see you. Felipe Coin. Blue steak, same color as the candle. Oh, man, that's aggressive. That's aggressive, man. Long at Ondo, okay. HFG short. Jeffy, good morning. Mr. East, just cover it. Kevin Gonzalez, Async, good morning to you. Long, Sui, Bitcoin, Ada. Nice. I wasn't at the computer, damn. In long, what's the target price? I'm looking for a retest of previous lows. Doesn't mean we're necessarily going to get there. So I'm looking here. First and foremost, 114.5. 114.5. But I want them to sell a little bit of hopium. Like, this is down only, so everybody's like short, short, short. I want them to give us like a little bit of a market structure maybe change today, and then destroy everybody's feelings, and then we go. That's what I would like to see. Is it going to happen? Who knows, man? We'll take the trades as they come. But yeah, for this move, I'd like to see. Look at that head and shoulders, even. It's been very good structure-wise for the dumps. We had the beautiful call from Brewberry yesterday with this short trade. Okay, absolute fire. We had Kyle who called the East short down here. I mean, the Discord's just been printing, even coming down. Okay, even coming down, the Discord's been printing. It's been pretty cool, and I haven't had to do it, which is wild. I love seeing everybody win. That's the thing, right? Just being prepared, right? That's the key. Prepared traders are profitable traders. Marking out key levels. Looks like we are getting a little bit of a push here. Mm-hmm. No trade right now. Setting the trap. It's all about setting the trap, understanding market structure, and trying to take advantage of it. What's going on? In long, what's the target? Yeah, answered. Okay. Joan, good morning. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Joan with some awesome charts in the family Discord as well. HFG, Indy, Dragonfly, what's going on? Steve Hickey, LJ. Good to see you. Pinkertons. Good evening, Otter. Hope everyone is having an amazing morning. Thanks, Chris. Hopefully you are too. Ryan, good morning. Sexy beast. All right, man. Thanks, bro. I mean, I guess I'm a grower and a shower. Growing our profits and showing our face. Only seems to be your channel. Only in my channel. Do I know how do I change the @ symbol then? Yeah. I'll look into it. What about the 200 USD? What do you mean? Jesse, good morning. John. Good morning. 8/21's your birthday also. Awesome, man. I was down trading all day and just recovered in this move. Good job, bro. Good job, man. Love to see you guys win, man. Simple Jack. Anybody in the long or short? Or still short from up top there? My little one's fifth birthday today. How are we gonna celebrate baby Otter's birthday? I mean, he's not gonna remember it. So, I mean, my family and friends have bought him a bunch of crap. You know what happens is they buy stuff off of Amazon and I have to build it. That's what happens, guys. Luckily, I'm a carpenter. And you know how they give you so we got a toddler tower thing, right? So they stand up at the countertop. We got one of those. We got this jungle gym thing with the bars and stuff so he can climb on it, right? Then we got a little slide attachment for that. So you can take the slide. Look at this Etch-a-Sketch, man. I should be a designer. Okay? But every single one of these things requires construction. However, being the carpenter that I am, you know how they give you these crappy little Allen keys, little Allen keys? And they're so small and they're so annoying. And you're sitting there. It's like building IKEA furniture, right? So me being me, I have my drill, right? This is gonna look wrong. I got the drill, right? With the trigger. All right, there's your Don't screenshot that, guys. Oh, it got me. Let's rewind that, guys. All right. I put I put the Allen key in my drill bit, right? And I build it like in like an eighth of the time. Yeah, my drill looks like that, okay? Oh man. Get your mind out of the gutter, guys. It can't get any worse. I'm already demonetized. Yeah. Randy Hipper, we're drawing drills on the channel. I'm trying to explain to them that I can assemble IKEA and children's toys faster than anyone. This is what my life has become. Do you think BTC can go more lower? Yes, I do. Alex, what is an order block? Previous consolidation zone. So an order block, in my opinion, I like to simplify it for people. So Chart Prime does a really good job of order blocks, I must admit. You can get like a Smart Money Concepts, Lux Algo. There's a couple of other, Smart Money Concepts, Lux Algo. They do one as well, but Chart Prime does the best, in my opinion. They got loud order blocks and stuff. So what an order block is, you see it's this candle here, right? It's this candle here, okay? And they will show on your screen. So like I was saying, there's one in here this morning. You'd have to rewind price, but they're active. And the way I like to think of an order block, okay, you got this big ass whale guy, right? And I'm gonna draw a sperm right here because I cannot draw, okay? You got the big ass whale guy here, right? And he filled half of his order. This is the way I think about it. He had a $5 million order here, but he only when he was entering, he only got, let's say, 3 million of that order filled. So there's still 2 million remaining here. So the market will generally come back, fill his order for the full 5, and then send price in the opposite direction. Okay? So I like to think of them as that, as an area of where a market or a big whale or something is trying to fill in this order. And then from that thought, okay, it makes order blocks magnetic, okay? So these are magnetic, means price is attracted to them. So price will come back, return, and then bounce off of them, okay? And if you have a golden pocket in the same damn area, you have confluence, okay? They work really well for uptrends. So if you're in an uptrend like this and you can't get in, right, it's very aggressive. Sometimes price will stall out in the middle and you can get into an order block. And we have rules on how to get into those kind of trades in our Discord. Okay, so look at yesterday, right? You look at yesterday, we get this cascading dump, right? Big cascading dump. Well, look at this. You got your order block is right in here, right? You pull that across. You got a short entry here, right? At the order block, stop loss above the high, and you can continue the trade going forward. Okay, very simple strategy, but it works really well, okay? Hopefully that helps. On a side note, a little lesson here. Let's get away from talking about big drills, okay? You dirty scoundrel. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Wick's wife is in the chat. What's going on, wifey? Good to see you as well. High late entry. Could you explain ETH? I'll take a look at ETH in a bit. Brave Dave, what's going on? Good to see you as well. Miss Teen Crypto, congratulations on your 23,000, I believe. Congratulations. French Toaster, good morning to you. Paper Planes, my man. Rudy, good morning. Thank you for being here. Crypto manipulation trader. Give TA on Sui, please. Yeah, we can take a look at Sui as well quickly. We are long on Bitcoin off the low here, guys. So no trade for now. Looking for continuation. Out. See this? What is this? Little mini order block, right? So you got your little block here. You come back, you retest, and you go. Very useful. I like to add confidence though within that idea. Okay. Aggressive uptrend, looking for a retesting continuation, right? Good morning, Aaron. Thank you for being here. Chris, Gen X Ferry. Good morning to you. Thank you for being here. FOM should get a reaction later, hopefully. Yeah, we got minutes later. Everything's looking at Jackson Hole, but 2 o'clock today. FOMC minutes. Okay, so be aware of that. 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Dusty, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Dragonfly, Pinkertons, Wild Deuces, good to see you as well. Brakoshi, Touche, good morning. D. Oz, good morning, gang. Yeah, we are currently in the long from the low right now. Just chilling, really. One second here. We'll do some top-down analysis. I think Sui and ETH people wanted me to take a quick glance at. No problem doing that. Take a quick glance. That's always easy. 1 second here. Just trying to get organized. Do you guys sometimes randomly get signed out of your exchange? Because it's been happening to me a little bit more lately than normal. Bitcoin continuing to fire off here. Anybody get long off that retest, off the order block? Like I said, we're looking for a continuation here. Sniper entry this morning, given to the gang in advance. Not an easy entry though. I'm not going to say that, it was easy. I went half a position, so I was looking for a continuation right now. We'll see if we get it. $165 so far. Looking for a continuation up to the previous lows. If there's an opportunity to add to the trade, I'll take it. But for now, I'm just chilling. What do you think about altcoin season? I think it'll come. It'll come. Just not until probably late September, October. I'm trying to chase the short to 173.4 on Solana. I think this is a trap. Yeah, hopium and then dump. That's exactly what I think as well. Morning pump, then New York dump again. Maybe. We'll see. French toaster. Rashad, good morning. Hey, Alex. Hello to everyone. Welcome. Almano Visto. Good morning to you. Jasper Miller. Good morning, man. How you doing? Slam banjo. Wick's wife. K Diggity. What's going on? Paper Planes. Dragonfly. Aaron. Slam banjo. Crypto FTW. Good morning to you. Green dildo falling over. Yeah, it was quite flaccid, guys. That was a flaccid dildo. I don't know if it has any use. I do think BTC can go lower. I cut 90 off the Allen key and chuck it into my drill too. Yeah, that's the one, man. You cut the 90 off. Yeah. Get out the old grinder, and then you use it. That username is a new thing. I don't like it. I'm building an IKEA wardrobe today. Don't invite me over, Ryan. Good luck with that. I've done one of those. You know what I do suggest? Use wood glue on your dowels. That's what I suggest. Otherwise, that thing's going to fall apart. Wood glue on the dowels, man. Just a little, you're good to go, man. Makes the biggest difference in IKEA furniture. You put a lid on your wooden dowels, okay? On these stupid things, you know, the wooden dowels. You put wood glue on them. So your dresser doesn't look like this. Okay? Just saying. Or even better, Gorilla Glue. But don't forget, Gorilla Glue expands, so you only need a very small amount. What's going on, Primavera lurking? You guys lurkers in the chat, man. All you lurkers in the back there who are here for the trade setups who don't say good morning. 337 people here on the live hanging out, talking about big green drills. Please say good morning. Smack up like buttons. Thank you for being here. Looking for a continuation out here. Boat money. Third day here. Thank you for being here, man. God bless. Superman, good morning. He has a big hammer drill, Paul Cruz. You guys are wrong, man. Two Wander, good morning. Michael, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Steve Dickey, Real Wave Cipher. What's going on? Did you know the Real Wave Cipher has the same colors on his market cipher as mine? I think they're the same. They look similar. I was watching his stream last night. His market cipher looks the same as mine, which I love. I love it. I love it because I know he didn't intentionally do that. I know he made it his own, and it looks the same as mine. And that's cool, man. We're twinning, bro. We're visually twinning. You have good taste, is what I'm trying to say. Or maybe we both have bad taste. Who knows? It's 8 p.m. in Malaysia. Good afternoon. Thank you for being here. Ryan Smith, I goes. Good morning, Anthony. Would you invest in something in TRB at this price? No. No TRB, man. By $12, damn. By $12. Real K Dig Retro, Mike Tech, what's going on, bro? How you been? RMT, man. RMT and the place to be. How you been, bro? Little Fish, good morning to you. Sean Beringer, Rudy, good morning. Let's do some top-down analysis. We're currently long, looking for this thing to go. Half a position size, looking for a continuation, trying to come up. We'll talk about some key resistance areas. First and foremost, we're looking at 114 as our first area of resistance if we can get rejected here. But 14.5 is kind of the big one. That's where I'm looking to probably fully get out of this trade, or at least 75% out of this trade. Probably take most of my profits up here. Going through top-down analysis, what do we notice? Is that we have obviously dumped. Okay, so what are our key levels that we are looking at on Bitcoin and the price action? Oh yeah, squigglies everywhere. So you have your 1 and 2. Your 1 and 2 are this. So you got your bottoming structure and out here. Sweep of the lows, continuation trade. Okay, this is your option 1. Okay, your option 2 is this. Is your sweep of the golden pocket and your bounce out right here. Oh. Okay, right here. Option 1, option 2. Okay, mark them out on your charts. 107.4, and then sweep of the lows. Why didn't this give me the low? I said give me the low. Just give me the low. Shut up all. Okay, so you have option 1 and option 2. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, gigalongs. Back it up, right? This is golden pocket, 7-8 golden pocket area, followed by a big order block in here, retest of this area in here. And then if we're coming any lower, we're looking at 105, big volume area in here. Okay? 105. 105, okay? Very simple. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to see that this is where you're looking for support at these 3 levels, okay? 1, 2, or 3. Where it's going to happen, I don't know, okay? I don't know. Depends on how much they want to rug. Okay? As long as we hold 98,000, I'm still bullish. And that's as easy as it gets, okay, guys? So mark out these levels, set alerts, whatever you're into, okay? We're prepared. There's my Etch-a-Sketch. Now, 3-day looks absolutely horrible. Red dot printed, rolling over, okay? Continuation down. We got some resetting happening on the VWAP here, but looking ugly here, 3-day. Absolute push to the downside here. 2 enormous red or purple candles in my case to the downside. Looking for some relief and then looking for a continuation down. Okay, relief would come in my opinion, if we go over here, would come in into some sort of retracement into the lows, probably this pivot point right here at 114.5, which is one of our key levels that we are looking for. Rejection today. Okay, expect insane volatility the next couple days. Going into Jackson Hole, okay, expect insane volatility. Expect price to just go boop all of a sudden. So make sure you guys are using good risk management and stop losses. Maybe just don't trade if you are new to trading. This is never financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor or your dad, and I don't expect you to take any of the trade setups or the ideas that I have in this video, even though, you know, we're demonetized and we have misleading content, even though we show you everything here. Okay? The daily trigger wave is trying to push up, okay? Not convincing yet. Okay, however, if we do get a nice bullish post today and we could maybe get a green dot tomorrow, that would be ideal for some relief. Money is still coming up here, which is a good sign. Very big gap in stochastics. Typically, the RSI will snap to the stochastics. That's a possibility here, okay, for a pushback. Not convincing yet. We do have some positive posturing on our VWAP, so we'll see how the next candle prints. Very important candle coming up on the daily. So we'll see what happens today. We want some pushback. The 12-hour here failed to break out yesterday. We had this beautiful little trigger wave coming in here, right? We had this thing coming in here, and guess what happened? We dumped. Okay, so don't get your hopium slippers on, especially in a downtrend. If you're taking longs in a downtrend, you're looking for small relief rallies. You're not looking for the home run. You look for the home run on a change of structure. Okay, the home run is here, not here. You're lucky to get in here. But once you break this high here, this is where you're looking for your home run. And it turns into this, okay? You don't need to be a superhero. Catch the lows. And you can as a scalper, but typically you're already 3/4 out of the position anyways if you're scalping. So who cares? Unless you want to show your P&L card and feel like a boss with your 50 cents that you made on your big old 300 leverage trade. I used to do it, so I understand if you need to get through that stage of trading where you P&L card people, right? That's why in our winners wall in our Discord, you have to explain your trade. Anyways, 8-hour money flows. Looking meek, okay? Coming out right now. This is not looking good. Very big, deep anchor wave, okay? So anchor trigger, looking for that relief. Looking for anchor trigger, right? Anchor trigger, right? You go back to evidence. What does this look like? Remember, okay? Bottoming structure. Anchor. Trigger. Off you go, okay? Who cares if you get in here? This is the move. Okay? So patience. Patience, right? It's hard to be patient at the lows. Oh my God, it's going to the moon. You're going to get a higher low probably. Okay? Confirmation's king, right? Coming down here. So looking at the charts here and what we can see is simply we got a very nice downtrend breaking down here. So any relief has met with rejection, as we can see. Retest to previous lows on the way down is something we're always looking for. So we're looking for that rejection right now to push down and continue to push. We'll see if we do get it, but a little bit of patience here will prevail. Right now we're flagging out, looking to push upwards. So those who are in the long from our golden pocket, or maybe you FOMO'd in, congratulations. Don't forget to pay yourselves, okay? 4 hours trying to push back. The 3 hour as well trying to push back. The 2-hour money flow is coming back in, but a little bit overextended on our VWAP. And then we get into our hourly, which does have a trigger wave to the downside. So a little bit of concern. However, money is coming in. Okay, so this could still push back up, even though we have a trigger wave to the downside. We'll have to wait and see. Okay. Bullish divergence in these lows here, which is the sign of a little bit of bottoming structure coming in and sweeping this very meek low down here. Okay. So looking for a little bit of relief today. 24-minute bullish divergence. Money flow coming in. We're looking for a breakout, retest, continuation trade. Mitigating the highs, breaking structure, suggesting we can push back. In a downtrend, any retracement is supposed to be a small trade, not a home run trade. That's what we're looking for. Looking for us to come up to 114.5. We'll see if we get there. Okay, patience will prevail. We're long from here. 1, 2, 3. We got a number 2 today, which is cool. No SFP. Sweeping that low, though, that was good enough for me, but we do have the low of the range right here. So if we do dump today, I'm looking for the SFP in here and relief out of there, gig along here if we get it. Otherwise, we're looking for a short up in these highs up here to send price down to where we want to gig along. Okay? If this, then that. Maybe we get in and we add to this, or we look for this to continue and we can add to it if we get the right signals to add to it. And we'll be patient in that sense. So thank you, everybody, for being here. That's my thoughts on Bitcoin right now. Let's just be patient and see if it does want to continue upwards. Right now, a little bit of an ugly flag here, looking to break out. Okay, we'll see if we do continue to move up. I ain't a flag guy. I just can't bring myself to buy flags. Okay, patience here. Could easily come back down. That's why we've taken profits already, okay? We're already in this trade. Half a position size, looking for continuation up. 165 realized, looking for continue. All right. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out with me. I think some people wanted me to look at ETH and SUI and Solana. So taking a look at ETH. I want to see ETH hold 187 key level right now. Chopping about resistance right now. So ETH is holding on, but needs to hold 187. You can see here, clear support. Otherwise, we're coming here. $4,000, guys. Psychological. Very easy. Downtrend here, right? So want to see a breakout, retest, continuation trade here, if anything. Trying to push back. And I do think ETH can come back up here if we get the right stuff. Look at Link. Breakout, retest, higher high, okay? Higher low, continuation trade. Link looking really good, okay? Up 7%. Doing really well. Solana looking at 173, but we got a breakout, retest, continuation trade going on in Solana as well, okay? We're looking a little bit lower, but right now, nice relief for Solana. Doesn't mean we're necessarily going to get there. We could come up into this resistance in here and get a little rejection, then come back down, then go, okay? So be aware. Like I said this morning, I'm looking for relief and then dump and then go. This is going to crush people right here. This is going to give everybody a happy face, right? We're all going to be happy. And then people are going to cry. SUI looking lower. 330. SFP of the low. Okay? Discord has all these levels. I can't give you all the goodies, guys. Wouldn't be fair to them, would it? Okay? So we have some key levels. We're looking. We hit some key levels. Aerodrome we hit yesterday. Pretty nice. We gave this on Sistine yesterday, too, for Aerodrome 122. Look at that. Beautiful. 10% move. Pretty sexy. But setting up the levels, setting up alerts, right? Nice alert in here. Look at that. The alert got tapped right to the tits. Perfect. Okay, so alerts are going to be your best friend in these kind of environments. The story being told is Definitely being told by the stock market, okay, everybody? So you can see the S&P absolutely pooped the bed yesterday. Coming back and revisiting previous highs in here. We'll see if this level holds. Level to level, guys. So we can use our S&P and our NASDAQ as confluence of what's going to happen with the market. And we can see that this absolutely rugged. Only 1%, but that's a lot for the S&P, guys. Okay? We look at our NASDAQ here, same deal. Big old rug coming back down to support levels in here. We'll see if it does want to hold as well. Interesting. Interesting level it came to. So, if this, then that. Patience trading, that's what it's all about. Bitcoin chopping sideways right now. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. We'll see what we get today. I'm looking for a bit of relief and then a bit of a dump. Okay, maybe the dump comes Thursday, Friday. We'll see. But prepared traders are profitable traders, so let's see what we get. Thank you guys for being here. Make sure you guys are saying good morning and smacking up those like buttons. It means a lot to me. What's going on, Lunar Beaches? LBC in the chat. My master Elliott wave theorist. ABC zigzaggy. Let's go, baby. We are currently long from the bottom. These ats are so dumb. Yeah, I agree. I made short 8 hours ago and sold ETH at 41.71. Nice, IGOs. Good job, bro. Flags are tricky. I just never had success with trading any kind of flags. Inverse head and shoulders, hidden bullish divergence, like that. What time frame, Raf? Don't get trapped. JR, good morning. Jesse, good morning. Thank you for being here. Carlos, good morning. Bounce from here. Looking for a little bit of relief. Doesn't mean we're going to bounce yet. We got to get above 113.960 here. Got to get above this liquidity in here. We'll see how it reacts. Jeanette, good morning. Good to see you as well. Steve Hickey, Retro Mike Tech. Trade Intuition. What's going on, man? Gang, gang, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Real K Diggity. Steve Hickey. Jesse. Rashad, good to see you, man. How you doing? Jonathan. How you doing, man? Thank you for being here. Mr. Retro Mike Tech, Steve Hickey, Dusty. Bill Drill, Hola. Hola, what's going on, man? Ocean. IKO, I believe. What's going on, bro? How you doing? Ancient Swines, Jaker's dad, good morning to you. What's up, Alex, you sexy bearded Canadian carper, master trader, crypto Jesus? What's up, bro? How you doing, man? Thank you for being here, LBC. I'm praying hard for you and your wife. You said 3 weeks till your baby comes. That's amazing. Congratulations to you both, man. That's awesome. Are you planning to make a course on how to read candles to improve analysis? Just education, not financial consultation? All my education. So if you were part of the Discord and you asked on how to read candles, I would make a video for the entire community, and we would record it, and you would have it. I'm going to take your idea here. I'm going to take your idea here. I'm going to copy it because I'm a scammer, right? I'm going to go into here. I'm going to go into my family chat. I'm going to go at family. Please remind me to make this video today. And they'll remind me, and we'll make the video. And then it will go into our massive amounts of videos that we answer all these questions all the time. Fibonacci, order block structure, volume, market cipher, mindset videos, must videos, how to trade reversals, how to trade up only. I mean, it's nonstop, guys. So thank you. Because I don't think I'm going to ever make a course. I mean, the point of a course, in my opinion, if I was to make one, is to have it in like sequential order, so that like it was very like this one, then this one, then this one, like very easy access. Because I've done a couple courses and it's all the same. It's all the same garbage, in my opinion. Okay, it's the information in a good orderly fashion. That's what a course is. You can find the information on YouTube, but you have to actually put in some work. Okay? That's the only reason why I would ever do a course, is just to make it like sequential ordered. But everything I know, I teach in the Discord. I have 2 things that I don't teach in the Discord, and they're my edge, and I'll never teach them to anybody. That's it. 2 things that I don't tell anybody. Can't do it, man. It's my edge. It's my little okay? He's good, just waiting on the baby. Duality, what's going on? Guy Kempe, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. I'm long from a 112, 891. Nice job, man. That's a nice entry. Right down in here. Great work. Great work. Yeah, I sniped this low. That's about it. Have a great day, Curtis Hill. Thank you for being here, Blackie, ENN, Emery. Coffee. Yeah, we are getting low on coffee as well. Coming back down here. Obviously, we have our golden pocket 786. We're long from down here. Okay, we'll just bring this over here. So if you're looking for retracements, you'd be looking generally in here. You don't want to be too nitpicky, but you're looking in here. Coming back down right now. Rolling. Maybe we get stopped out. I move my stop loss up higher. Pretty scammy price action, man. Look at this. Top of the hour. Let's check the hourly. Always check every hour. You should, or every hour and half hour, you got to check your candle print, okay? So you go into your hour, right? You see what happened on Market Cipher because you have a new candle, right? So you got rejected at the 0 line just now. Okay, not looking good. This looks a bit bearish, okay? 30-minute, scrambled eggs. Don't want to touch that. 15-minute, anchor trigger wave, trying to trigger. No trigger so far. But you should always be checking the updated versions of that, and then your 2 hour and your 3 hour as they come to fruition throughout the day. Okay? Helps with the narrative. It helps you with more of a longer term perspective too. And check your candle, guys. The candle is so important, right? What does this candle pattern in here tell you guys, right? And we're going to talk about that later on today. I'm such a douche canoe today, man. Oh, man. What does this tell you? This tells you buyers stepped up here, right? A very good thing to watch with candle is always volume. Okay, so you have the massive sell-off in here. You have decreasing volume while prices moving down. There's no absorption being happening in here. Prices just falling. It means sellers are coming in. You have an increase. Your first increase in volume is in this candle, and then you get continuation out. Well, guess what happens? Guess what happens? Volume picks up, and it fails to push higher in this candle. So you get a what? A rejection, right? Doji. Now you get a big-ass hammer candle into your golden pocket. Doji, are we going to engulf? That would mean we would look to come to the lows. If we engulf here in the next hour, we could be looking to come and sweep the lows. That's what this tells me. Right? So your interpretation of candles is going to be very important. It's a story. Whether you read the story upside down or from left to right is up to you. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to help with probabilities. It's going to help with decision making. It's going to help with narrative. It's going to tell you, hey, man, if this, then that. If this is happening here, right, then I should be looking here, right? Bullish engulfing candle here typically retraces halfway down the candle, looking for continuation. If we fail, then we're coming to sweep the lows or these lows. Okay? So you'd be looking for continuation here. However, money's coming out. We're still in a macro downtrend. So shorts are the way. Does that mean we can't get some relief? We'll see. We'll see. Fantastic. How are you doing, Papa O? Doing well, man. Doing well. Happy as can be, man. I wish my wife would sleep more. That's if I had one thing I would ask God for help with is my wife getting some more rest. She's got the hardest job in the world, you know, Mrs. Otter. She's a great mother, though. It's so beautiful to see. My wife, she's incredible. She's incredible. What she does, I mean, I'm just some dude who talks at a microphone and presses buttons on a computer. Very blessed to have my wife and my child. There's one thing more I would like. It would be for my wife to get some rest. Kids teething and keeping her up, and she's not sleeping well because she's worried about him. And I'm sure mothers know how it goes. You never sleep the same after you have a child, right? So, but thanks for asking. IKO, Wick's wife, Lunar Beaches, Blackie, good morning to you. Jesse, good luck. Thank you for being here. Toof, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Andrew Cameron, my man, good morning to you. Alex, invert the chart to make me feel better. Algo's retesting. We looked at Algo. Didn't we look at Algo yesterday in the Discord? Yeah, we're looking a little bit lower here. Breakout retest on Algo. But I'm still interested in 123 on Algorand. We could simply roll over here and then go. We'll see. You could average in here. Up to you, man. I'd be patient here with Algorand. Nice breakout, though. I think Solana's going to pop pretty soon, guys. I think Solana's overdue. That's just my opinion. What's going on? R.S. Miller, my man. What's going on, bro? How you been? Mr. R.S. Miller always coming through. Mark Dutch, good morning. How you doing? Haven't thrown some clogs in the chat for you for a while. Wick's wife, anime. Can you look at Haber, please? I think you meant H-bar, but I'm going to pretend that you said Haber and it doesn't exist. Alex, we're doing a fundraiser for LBC's baby stuff next Wednesday on Morning Market Report. Piper Academy is donating $500, and all of the super chats are being added to it that day. Awesome. I have his wallet address. I'll send him a big check. I don't want YouTube to take all his money. But yeah, man, that's awesome, bro. I will come by and donate for sure. But I'll send him a little present. That's awesome of you. I can't do a fundraiser. I'm demonetized, right? Too much swearing, guys. Grandmaster 8, what's going on, bro? Good to see you in here. Tengu, anyone shorting? No short right now. SFP of the high in here. I'm still long from the low right now, but no trade. Potential to add in here if we see what we want. It's our golden pocket of this retracement, but right now it looks very dumpy. Probably going to get stopped out. Quick 200 to start the day. This would have to be at 25 for me to make 200. Maybe we bring it up here. There we go. Plus fees, probably going to be less than 200. That's fine. You guys like when I close my trades because then I'm hunting for another one. I could put it right back down to my entry. We can wait. What's $30? Okay, we'll be all right. Kakashi, good morning to you. How much impact would you say does your secret edge make? How much impact? It's just when I see my edge, I'm able to put on bigger size. That's it. Because I'm way confident. I've back tested it, and I know the hit rate. So I'm able to put like a $300,000, $400,000 trade on, rather than a $100,000 trade. I'm able to risk $1,000 on that trade versus, and that's 1% of my entire trading account. It's still 1%, but I don't risk 1%. I risk 0.3, 0.4% per trade, right? I risk $300, $400 per trade. But those ones I can absolutely hammer, right? That's the difference. So instead of making $600, $900, I can make like $2, $3, $4 grand off of those trades, right? On a small move, right? On a move like this, I can make like $4 grand, which is cool. So it's not necessarily, it gives me a higher winning percentage. The percentage is pretty close to what mine is. It's just the confidence in the back testing I've done with that edge allows me to feel confident to smash the friggin' button. And that's important, right? Because I've seen it time and time again. I've back tested it. It's kind of my baby, right? Golden Pocket 786 retracement level. How often do they come? Quite often, Sparky. At least once a week. If I'm on the chart. You know what, recently it's been a lot of Asia sessions, to be honest. And I don't touch Asia normally. Philly Skills, what's going on, fam? Good to see you, Ryan Smith. Have you got a video on how to take profits? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Taking profits on swing trades. Taking profits in general. We got 2 videos on it. In general trading videos. Mr. Pabs, good day. Good to see you. The low is just never in. No, man, it's not. Funding accounts for babies, never heard of it. My little girl comes September 8th, and the family just goes through hands down. When last week she was 6.6 pounds already in the belly? Holy smokes, man. My boy came out at 6 pounds, man. Like 6 on the dot. Congratulations, Andrew. God bless you and your family. Thoughts and prayers go out to you as well. 786 slap here, guys. Good morning, Infinite Team TA, Philly Skills. Do you think H-Bar will get an ETF? Probably, man. It's very corporate, no? So, most likely. $786, last chance. Last hurrah. Hooty hoo. What's going on? Clay the Great, man. Gang, gang, gang. Subscribe to Piper Academy, absolutely. H-nar, H-bar, habar, habi, haba. Good to see you, Steven. Thank you for being here, Guy Kempe. Crypto Hands. If you love your wife, you're a great man. My wife is my world, man. I would be lost, man. I'm definitely over dependent on my wife. That is for sure. Trading is like golf. Yeah, it is. Golf is the hardest sport on the it's so bad. Diapers aren't cheap. I agree, Lunar Beaches. We buy ours in bulk. Holy smokes. I was 7'7". You're a big boy then, Andrew. You're a big... Look at that 786 holding up nicely. Not. I was 7'7" as a baby. He's a big old Ottawa Valley boy. Andrew Cameron is. Let's go. We're going to dump hard, says crypto starter now. Yeah, this doesn't look good. I was thinking about steak and all I got was an egg McMuffin for breakfast. You know what do you know how they call it McDonald's or Mickey D's or Macca's or Mackey's? What is my golf handicap? I'd say, I typically shoot low 80s. We'll put it that way. Typically, I shot an 89. Yes, was it yesterday or the day before? But I haven't played in 3 weeks, so. I haven't broken 80 this year, though. 82, 81, 83. I've been close. It's that one hole, that one triple bogey that always gets me. It's that one triple bogey that always gets me, man. It's so frustrating. Short game's pretty good. Driver's fire. It's the... Sometimes my 3-wood betrays me, man. I hit like a 290 yard carry drive high draw. Like I smoke the driver. But I think the putting needs the most work, if I'm being honest. Blame it on the 3-wood. Either the 3-wood's like a nice high cut, or it's in the woods. Yeah. And it goes like 260, my 3-wood. I smoke a 3-wood too, but sometimes I smoke a 3-wood into the woods. So let's put it that way. What's going on, Sniper? Alex Happy O Crypto. Let's go, baby. I typically wear my skirt with putting. I'm always you know how you're supposed to roll the ball like at least a foot past the hole? Like you're supposed to give it enough pace. I'm always a foot short. Like, and that's been the story my whole life. I'm always short, man. I'm gonna probably close this out, guys. I'm happy with the snipe this morning. Look at that entry, Sniper's Nightmare. Look at that entry, bro. Look at the entry. Stop me out. Give me my $200, please, and thank you. This looks like it's coming lower. Maybe it doesn't want to. Maybe it'll just go to Valhalla from here. Either way, we're happy with the profits this morning. Long from the bottom. Look, I scared it, guys. See, the market maker is not watching your stop loss. Okay, there's your proof. Okay? He doesn't care about your stop loss. He cares about liquidity and balancing the books. Getting ready to see the 112. I'd like to see that too. Gains for Life, good morning to you. Gen X, good to see you. In Canada, our nickname for McDonald's is McDicks, if you didn't know. We call it McDicks. Okay, slang words for McDonald's around the world. Okay. So look here. You got Macca's, Mickey D's, right? Canada. McDicks, baby. Look at it. It's McDicks. We call it McDicks because we're weird. Okay. Macca's. Mackey's, Macca's. Puke bucket. Yeah, I'd say. We call it McSheet. The McShits. You ever get the McShits? We call it McShits too. What's going on, Jimbo? What up, bro? Sorry I couldn't make Billy go tails last night. Busy with little man. Hopefully you guys are having a good old time there on Billy Goat Tales. I've been pretty busy lately, guys, so apologies for my non-attendance. You guys can dock me, man. If you guys aren't familiar, Billy Goat Tales, awesome friend of the channel. Live on X every Tuesday night. I guess they don't want my stop loss this morning, guys. Bouncing off that 786, coming into market open. We got 7 minutes. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smacking up like buttons. 435 people in here. Currently long from the low in here. SPY looking for a little bit of relief this morning. We'll see if we get it. NASDAQ trying to push back. We'll see if we get that as well, okay? Everybody's fearful going into this Jackson Hole announcement. What we have right now is a little bit of relief. We got bottoming structure in here, a higher low, and we're looking for a continuation up into 114,500. Retest to previous lows, golden pocket, yada, yada, yada. Okay, looking for that continuation. Pivot points are above us, so looking for a pushback. However, very aware that we are in a downtrend, so we could easily come and sweep and then go. Okay, but if we're going to get a sweep, we really want to see the sweep down to the low of the range, which is 111,850. That is the be-all, end-all. If we come down here and we get that bottoming structure, we will be backing up the truck looking for the long. However, right now we do have bottoming structure on the lows here with a break of structure and a higher high. Okay, so now this could be our higher low and continuation out. So hopefully we get that push out. We would like to get some relief up to 114.5 today in the market open. We've had 2 dumps each market open. Okay, so we should be looking for a little bit of relief today, followed by probably more downside. Okay. We'll see what we get. We're prepared. We're ready. We're currently in a trade. Not looking to add to this trade just yet. Coming into market open, we'll see if we do get stopped out. Stop loss is just below the low. Entered this morning on that sweep of the low in here. Beautiful entry. Took profits on the way up. Realized 165. Looking for this to continue. If not, we get stopped out. We make $200. Happy days. Okay. Looking at market cipher here, 12-minute anchor trigger wave trying to push out here. We'll see if we get it. 24-minute looking a little bit ugly in my opinion. So this looks like it's coming out. It looks like we could get some more downside, especially after that last candle here. That's pretty nasty. Okay, so we'll see what we get. Kind of mixed messaging in here, so a little bit of patience will prevail, waiting for some more clear signals to kind of enter a trade or possibly just take profits and get out. Okay, we'll see what we get today. Okay, a little pushback. Yeah, patience will prevail coming into market open. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smacking up those like buttons. 440 people here on the live, taking trades, kicking ass, taking names. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel, hanging out here. It's an honor to serve you guys and open the market with you guys. I do appreciate you guys hanging out. It's always a good time. You guys got me talking about weird drills and stuff today and making me draw weird things, but, you know, we have fun. That's it. Trading's not easy, so we like to be a little bit loose and hang out, you know, that's it. We're traders helping traders. We've been trading full time for 2 years now. Before we had a paid Discord, before any of that, so I just want you guys to learn from people who are actually doing it. That's important. I think that's so important. There's a lot of fake BS in crypto world. I ain't gonna point anybody out. I'm just saying, make sure you see the trades being taken, see the losses, right? I show all my losses. I mean, I had slippage yesterday, big nasty $700. I think it was seven and change. It was nasty. I had a stop loss at 400 and bang, it went right through with volume. So I got slippage and, you know, ended up being quite expensive. I battled my way back throughout the day, managed to end the day with a negative $200 day, which is fine. That's manageable, right? Because if that was a regular day and a regular stop, right, I would be up $200, but that's not the case because of slippage. And that's part of the trading game. Like if you want to use all the exchanges, you're going to have varying slippages depending on what happens. Like if you're using MexC, be very careful. Slippage is nasty on that, but that's what you get for cheap fees, right? So I use Bitunix. I have VIP6, so you know, we do have a deal for deposits in VIP3. I can't get you guys VIP6 unless you have a certain amount of funds in the account. It's not my doing. That's just how it goes. But I always appreciate you guys using my links down below. Obviously, it's never financial advice, and you can do it as you please. For me, if I'm ever using someone else's links, I always go to a smaller creator, and I try to use their links. I know the big guys don't need they get so many signups and all this stuff, right? So I always try to go to smaller creators and use their links. It does help them. I remember when I was like very new to trading and someone would buy Market Cipher using my link or whatever, you know, get an extra $100 or whatever. It's pretty cool. You're like, oh my God, I did something. Oh man, good times. There is VIP 7, yeah. But you gotta deposit like your life savings into it. I don't like to keep that much on the exchange. VIP 7. $30 seconds, guys. My finger isn't doing anything. You say Altcoin. What's going on, Jimbo, man? How you doing, man? How's the kid? Are you guys got any cool new cards or anything like that, man? Hopefully he's doing well. God bless you, bro. Thank you for hanging out. HFG says, dump it. Nick Musgrave, what's going on, bro? Good to see you in the chat. We got all the mods in here. Tony Soprano's working too much lately. We got Nick. We got Sniper. We got Market Open. Ding, 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 ding-a-ling. S&P rolling over right now, opening up pretty flat. Rolling over. We'll see if it does want to continue to persist down. Next level of support. 6,366 NASDAQ. A little bit of a push up and a dump. Looks like Bitcoin might be rolling over, guys. Stop loss here. Looking to get stopped out. Stopped out here. Stopped out here. Oof. It's scared of my stop, guys. I'm telling you. The huge $11,000 trade here. Okay, never mind. All right, stopped out in profits. GG's on that one. That was a great entry. I'm pretty happy with that entry. Quick $180 realized. On to the next one, guys. Coming down into our golden pocket area. Bitcoin rolling over on market open. GG's all around. Let's keep it going, guys. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. We'll see what we get to today. Quick little rollover here. NASDAQ coming back, sweeping the lows. Same deal here. Okay. A little bit of patience getting bought up right now. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Expect some insane volatility today, guys. That's all I got to say. Look at the price action. Look at the chart. Look at these liquidity events, right? Just trying to grab all the liquidity as it can, right? This is just nasty. So be prepared for that. We'll see what we get today. Thank you guys for supporting the channel and hanging out here. Let's try to be patient here coming into market open. Up today already, and we'll see if we can continue to make some dough. Looking for relief up to 114,500. We'll see if we get it. Otherwise, we're looking to sweep the lows here at 112.7. Pretty much in the middle of the range, right? This is our golden pocket, so we should continue to have our 786 level on here as well. My bad, I have erased that. So we have bounced off that golden pocket perfectly. Let's just put the 786 here just so we understand where it is, because sometimes you just get a nice 786 slapperelli and you can make some nice money off of it. We are currently trading under VWAP, rolling over here, a little retesting, continuation down for VWAP. We'll see what we get. Okay, NASDAQ dumping hard, coming back for all this liquidity in these lows. Okay, Bitcoin continues to roll over here. Coming for the lows here, golden pocket. Aggressive downtrend here. Not a very clear sign to get short in here. We got the SFP of the high in here. Yeah, not very clear to get short. Obviously resistance in these highs, but that was from last night. Let's see if we bounce out of here. Thank you guys for smacking up those like buttons. We need 10 more for 200. 10 more for 200. That would be cool. If you guys wouldn't mind. I know it's a pain in the ass, but I got to ask. All right, pretty flat here. I wonder if Brewberry's posted any trades. He has been on fire lately. He has been on fire. All right. No posts from Brewberry. He called the short yesterday perfectly, guys. Like, absolute fire. Absolute fire. Has he posted? He has posted TA, guys. He has. The Discord knows. Don't give us that. Oh, my God. He's giving a setup, guys. He's giving a setup. Brewberry's giving a setup in the chat. Should we take it on the live? I mean, yesterday's was fire. Yesterday's was so fire. It was stupid. Look at this short he gave yesterday, guys, during the live stream. And I didn't take it like an idiot. So good. So good, man. So good. He just gave a setup Discord members, and I don't know. I'm questioning the setup today. I don't think I like it, but I could be wrong. Here's the setup, guys. Here's the Brewberry setup right now. Okay? Setups like this. If this plays, I'm gonna be upset. I shouldn't be giving you guys this stuff. I mean, he manages his risk properly. That's all I'm saying. Too much alpha, man. Trust the process. That's the one. We'll see. 9:35. A little bit of chop right now. No trade for me, guys. He just posted too. Uh-oh. I am not. Why do people keep asking me about Wendy O? No, not at all, man. Not at all. Brew's gonna be right. Brew's gonna be right, guys. Brew's definitely in profit already. Oh, man. Yesterday, Blueberry. It's Brewberry. He gave the short, perfect short entry for the whole thing. He shorted this whole thing from here. From 115.5, he shorted. Fire, man. So fire. So good. Nice pushback here. Nice candles. Can we get above VWAP? Can we get above VWAP? Push. Push Bitcoin. Come on. Don't be a namby-pamby. Push Bitcoin. Push it for the people. Push it for the people. Push it for the people. Probably not. Anybody long? Trying to get above VWAP here. Let me know in the chat. Are you guys long? Are you short? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. I guess I should just always put 2 in the chat because I'm pretty short. Everybody says I look tall on camera. I'm not tall, by the way. I am small. Ask Sniper's Nightmare. I'm depressed. They lie, Alex. Failure to get above VWAP. No trade for me, guys. It's got to go, guys. Can we push? NASDAQ trying to bounce, no bounce. Nice bounce, no bounce. Okay, rejection on NASDAQ. VWAP slap rejection. Sheesh. VWAP slap rejection. Hopefully you guys are managing your risk. 940 right now. No trade for me. Am I making you question your trade? Good. That's my job. That is kind of my job. I want you to think. Don't overthink, but think. Biddy coming down right now. Big old slap. And go. Slap and go. NASDAQ rolling over. Coming for the lows. Bitcoin trying to hold on here for dear life. Still want to see it close above that VWAP. Otherwise, we're coming down. NASDAQ rolling over hard, guys. No trade here. Coming down for the lows. Sweep of the lows. Sweep of the lows. For a bounce here, possibly. No trade yet. Still waiting. Failure to hold VWAP, right? Could push here. NASDAQ bounce? Not yet. What do they say? Put your entry where their stop losses are, right? Put your entry where their stop losses are. I'm so gig along, guys. I'm sorry. Put your entry where their stop losses are. See if we can keep pushing here. Let's go, baby. Absolute douche canoe, aren't I? I'm an absolute douche canoe today, mate. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it, baby. No douche canoes. Come on, Bitcoin. Follow through, man. Let's go, baby. I've already realized 200 on this trade, guys, so. No, it's going to come down again? Really? That's annoying, isn't it? Very volatile, guys. Quick 200. GG's in the chat. Let's go. Another one. Whipsaw. Yeah, very whipsaw price action. VWAP slap again. Look at the VWAP slaps, guys. Double VWAP slap. Should have shorted it. NASDAQ rolling over hard here. NASDAQ continuing to dump. More downside for Bitcoin. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Whip. Cool whip. That's why. Family Guy, man. Family Guy. Trading View would be like, watch out for 70K Bitcoin. Whip. Coming down 786. Bitcoin dumping. No trade here, guys. Anybody short? $786 bounce possibility. We'll see. H bar alert going off. No trade here. Still waiting. Looking to come to the lows now. $786. A little bit of relief, not much. NASDAQ still dumping. They're going to come to the lows now. Who's short? Let me know. Put it. You guys all short now or what? You guys better all be short. Thank you guys for being on the live, smacking up those like buttons, subscribing if you're new. We got a whole bunch of people in here, 400 people in here on the live stream hanging out. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out. I do appreciate it. Oh, 786 relief possible? No. Little bounce on NASDAQ here. SPY still rolling over. Lower for Bitcoin. Nasty candle. Nasty, nasty. 786 fails in my opinion. On to the next one. $886 Piper. What do you think, Piper? 886. No relief here. Just down. Just down. What a dump this morning, everybody. Thank you for being on the live here, hanging out. Mark Orb. Orb is done. Okay, perfect. Thank you guys for reminding me about the orb. Orby-Wan Kenobi. Losing orb. Trying to reclaim orb. Possibility today. Breaking down. Bitcoin's rolling over, guys. Rolling over. Looking to come to the lows right now. NASDAQ. Woof. Greasy. Greasy. I thought we'd get some relief today on Bitcoin. Not today. Probably coming for the sweep of the low in here. Look for a sweep and go possibility. No trade here. The short would be up at orb. possibility down here. Want to see a nice bounce though. Don't want to just back up the truck here. Like to see a nice bounce. Otherwise, we continue down. Wild. Pretty wild, man. Oof, look at the NASDAQ today, guys. Holy smokes. That is disgusting. Coming down for that low right now on Bitcoin. Jesus. We're here for it. Dump it, Biddy. Come on, baby. NASDAQ don't care. NASDAQ just dumping it like it no problemo. Bitcoin coming up for some air. Might get short here, guys. Be like a continuation wick test here, something like that. Jeez, Zeus. Shorts are paying. I'm long now. Okay, some people are long. We didn't tap that low just yet, so I'd be careful with the longs. Might get a little relief up to orb and then down. They're going to come for that 111. She's a nasty one today, guys. 953. NASDAQ telling the story again, everybody. Coming down right now. Bitcoin rolling over. Really fighting for this low, isn't it? It's fighting. It's a fighter. Sweep and go. Watch out below. Sweep and go. Watch out below. Palantir down over 20% in a week. Yikes. That's nasty. Pushing back up here. Still not sweeping this low. I'm still waiting for a short up here. Coming back for late shorts right now. Late shorts. SPY dumping hard. Bitcoin dumping hard. Still hasn't taken that low, guys. Still looking to come down, in my opinion. Looking for an orb retest and a rejection. That's what I'm looking for. Getting a little bit of a battle here, but we'll see. Damn, Daniel. Dump City. Dump City. I thought we were going to get a little bit of relief today, but nope. Nope, sorry, Bob. I did take a little stab there short, guys. Not something I would give generally. I'm 3/4 out already. Stop loss to entry. See if we can continue to roll over here. I like that wick back up. Testing that previous candle, right? Little wick test in here. Testing that previous candle. Continuation down. Little quick stab. Probably stopped out. Looking for the follow through here. Yeah, stopped out. Quick $70. Another one. Just off of this 3-minute candle in here, guys. So from low to high here, right? That's your wick test. So that came in, tested it, and sent it down. We have a video on that in the Discord as well. Oof, some relief here. Little bounce on NASDAQ. I can't believe we didn't come for that low. I can't believe we didn't come for that low. Are you serious? Interesting. Another $60 win. What are we up? 2, 4, 460 so far today, everybody. Not bad. Not a bad day. Just hanging out. Not really something, easy to give here for trade step wise, but see if we get some relief up here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and supporting the channel. I thought we would get more relief today. No relief. Down only. Getting rejected here yet again. No trade. Yep. Nasty, nasty, nasty all around the world, man. It's weird how we haven't taken the low. That's all. I'd like to see the low swept. Low swept. And then a bounce, but it's fighting here, guys. Could we get some relief? I just entered another long. I like the hold here. I like the candle. I was waiting to see if we retested the low. I'm in a long now. Stop loss to entry. TP1 hit. Guys, it's happening too fast. I can't say take the trade here, take the trade there, take the trade here, take the trade there. It's been really quick. Sometimes I can't give it to you guys, you know? Even now, what am I going to do? Get stopped out for another $60? Push Bitcoin. Don't be a namby-pamby. Come on, man. What is this? What is this garbage? Bounce, man. Just give me more than $50, please. Oh, man. Come on. You're weak, Bitcoin. You're weak, Bitcoin. Push, man. Push, you nambe-pambe. Thank you. Now go to Valhalla. Go. Go. Be free. Be free, young grasshopper. Up another hundo. That's 540 today, guys. Scalping. 540 scalping. Be free. They're watching us, yeah. They're watching us. One of these days, the big boys will counter trade every famous YouTuber. Good thing I'm not famous, bro. Thank God I'm not famous, man. Send it to Valhalla, man. Send it to Valhalla. I got a gift for you guys today. Be free, baby. Be free. Come on, Biddy. Such a namby-pamby. Did we just retest orb? We're not even there yet. We're not even at the orb yet, man. Let's go. Come on. We bouncing on Nas? Stream's almost over, guys. I got a special gift for you after the stream here. Man. We're going to get stopped out now. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it. You can do it all night long. Guys, this is crap. Just take it. Just take the stop loss. Just take it. Yeah. Another $100. GG's. GG's, 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 GG's. Okay. Well, what can I say? That's why I take profits early. Gotta snipe it. All that fun stuff. Heck, what do I know? I'm just happy to be here hanging out with you guys, and I'm grateful for everyone showing up, taking trades with me, and kicking ass, taking names. I do appreciate you guys' support. We're coming for the low right now, baby. Coming for the low right now. What can I say? Happy to be here. Grateful for you guys. Gonna send you to our trader in the Discord, Mr. Brewberry himself. The man, the myth, the legend. Go over and subscribe to Brewberry. He's the best trader. He's the man. I do appreciate you guys' support. Thank you so much for being here. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets.